The goal in this step is to set up order notifications on the mobile app. We'll need to perform 3 small steps. First, copy the sample app, My Store Management. Second, configure the app you just copied. Third, configure the Google Sheet, One Order Management. Let's start with first step. Copy the sample app. The link to the sample app is in the description below the video. After accessing AppSheet via the link below, click Copy App to copy the app. The Copy App window will open. Here you can rename the app. Turn off these 2 options so the system can create and use your own data. Click Copy App to copy. In a few seconds, the system will automatically create an AppSheet app for you. That's it. Let's start configuring AppSheet. First, connect to the Google Sheet data file for order management. On the main interface, click on Data. The Data window will open. Click Add New Data. Then, select Google Sheet. Find the Google Sheet file, One Order Management, in your Google Drive folder. Here, select only the sheet name, One Order Management. Click Add Table to add the data table. After adding the data table, a table will appear containing a list of information fields, as in the Google Sheet file, such as the order ID, order date, etc. Next, in the Key column, uncheck the No row and check the Order ID row. Next, in the Phone row, set the overlaid data type to text. Drag the slider to the Require column and only keep the Order ID row checked. For the remaining rows, uncheck all the boxes. Scroll to the PII column, which stands for Personally Identifiable Information. You'll uncheck all the boxes. Click Save to save. Next, we will set access permissions for the newly added data table. Click on Table Setting. The Table Settings window will open. Here, click on the jar icon. A formula box will appear. Click on this formula box again. Then a window will appear allowing you to edit the formula. First, delete the line user1@mydomain.com update only. Note that you must also delete the comma at the end of this line. Next, change the email address from user2@mydomain.com to your store's Gmail address. For example, in this case, it's our sample email. Thus, with the store's email, You will have full access to the data table, including read, write, and delete. Other email accounts can only read data. You can also recheck this access permission by clicking Test. The result will show all changes, meaning it's okay. Return to the Settings window. Click Save to save. Click Done again. Click Save to save. OK, finish.